Welcome aboard SV Rhythm, our boat and home. We are currently in the galley, making coffee and toast. If you've seen our videos before, you might well have realised by now that this means a day of sailing awaits, and we are headed to somewhere truly spectacular. Morning. We are off. We've been here, how long have we been here?
I don't know,
2 weeks?
3 weeks.
We have no idea anymore. We don't know how long we stay anywhere anymore. But yeah, we're sailing.
We got a super yacht in the anchorage today. Just looked him up. He's a multi-billionaire in the food industry. So that's who we're sharing our view with this morning.
Tony decided to do a quick check of the engine, which I think was procrastinating. No, not really. No, we didn't leave in this because it's raining. Engine checks are good, obviously. Oh, I've got water on the lens. Ooh. Engine checks are good, obviously. But well timed in that matter. Oh, oh dear. The sun's out and the wind's back. Ocean trash every time. We're doing a whole 4.2 knots, so we're going to try our luck. We'll be lucky with the fishing line. Although I can't really remember what speed we were going at when we caught the wahoo. I don't think it was a great speed. Get it out of our, need a slightly bigger bag for our Coca-Cola bottle setup. What does everybody else stash their Coca-Cola bottle line setup in? I would guess I say there's not many others out there. Oh. I know there are some. Okay, we're now doing 3.5 overground. We'll be lucky. Let's try and catch us some fish. Got to do the fish dance. It's a bit like a rain dance, but different. Welcome fishies to my... Who knows, we might catch dinner. We'll see. I was just met by the most beautiful smell wafting up the companionway. Tony's making toasties. And I'm on fish watch. Not that we've caught anything yet. I have a story to tell. I don't know, last week maybe, I posted, a bit delayed, a photo of that wahoo we caught in Guadeloupe on, I'm getting the hair on my face, a Facebook group. Just wanted to show it off. Obviously I'm holding it up like this, actually to rest it on me because it was a bit heavy. And I was wearing a bikini top and you could see that I was in it if you paid attention, but it, you know, if you didn't, then it might have looked in hindsight like I was topless and just using the fish to cover. And some guy, so I've got a little bit of flared ribs anyway, so they poke out, and there's just a bit of dirt on them because I'm holding a fish, leaning it on me. Some guy obviously zoomed in, misconstrued what my ribs were as a bit of a slip. Took a screenshot, cropped it in even further and posted it underneath going, you might want to reconsider this photo. I'm like, the amount of, like, A, no, I was wearing a bikini. B, I'm not old enough yet for them to be that low hanging. And C, who even does that? There's far too much effort going in with that cropping. I laughed it off. Well, it was a bit embarrassing. You don't do that. Anyone, don't ever do that. Ever. Ever. Yeah, so I was a bit embarrassed. It wasn't, it was my pokey out ribs. Wasn't it, Tony?
Say so.
If I say so. I'm gonna drop the main because that wind is just up and down, it's snowing, and just go into the Genoa. Make our lives easier. Should we get the Genoa out?
Yeah.
Tony just saw a big splash. We put away the line. Put it back out. Go, go, go. Operation Catch a Fish. In there, around that corner, is Soufriere. But we are going to go around Petit Piton Point. Whew. So around into the next bay, so that we're with the Pitons, which are those mountains there. We do have to take buoys, so Tony's just sorting out the lines, and I'm still on fish watch. Not that anything has had the decency to bite yet. You made it look easy! It's pretty awesome, huh? after us maybe a pina colada? I got it on camera now, he can't say no. We jumped right in, but before getting to the shallow reef, we couldn't resist a little bit of a free dive each, despite having not thought to bring our weight belts with us. It's a skill we've slowly improved on over the last few months, and the warm, calm waters, protected by the magnificent volcanic landscape, were calling us to enjoy the world, meters beneath the surface.
I'm currently trying to improve the depths that I can dive down to and where I can feel comfortable so I can relax and inadvertently stay down longer.
And now, the reef. That was wild the way it echoed all the way around, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Wowza. Ooh.
That was surprising.
Yeah, eating my ratatouille and rice. And all his bangs went off. Yeah, the way it echoed all the way around the bay. That was pretty wild. That was cool. Really cool. Those fireworks felt like a farewell from St Lucia, because with that quiet night and a good night's sleep, it's time for Passengers New. Hoist the main! Next video sees us sail away overnight to Beckway. Bring on the sailing, the adventure, the panics, I lost an overboard, and the silliness. Yo, tell me what you want, what you really, really want, y'all.